Game On 4.3 is being released today, and this video lets you know a little bit about the clipboard, the back end of Game On, where admins, teachers like you and I, really have a lot of power. By default, well, not by default, in this video, I have turned off students' first, last, and display name because some of my students actually use part of their first or last names. And I want to keep this anonymous, okay? So you can turn visibility on and off. But right now, I have sorted this for period 1. When you click on a section, you're able to sort according to sections, and you can also sort by groups and badges. These icons here are links to student stats panel, the map, the student view of a map. This is new and this is great. The student profile, student blog, website if they have one, and announcements that we can send out to the kids. Let me show you the map because this is really cool. That you can now see what the student sees. And so here I am on the daily quests here for this student, and you can see this student's done all the daily quests up to Friday. And now this is good to note because we're going to tune in to Friday in just a minute. But if you click on this, you actually get some information about, if there were a check for understanding, if you had a blog post here or links or image uploads, all of that would show in this light box. Very cool. But you also get these times here. That's going to show up in a separate look at the back end, but those are all the different maps that I have, and the ability to check a student's progress by looking at their maps is awesome. Let me just say. Now, the store messages and quests are all sortable as well. Let me head over to quests and just show you a great way to use this. I have daily quests, and so if I go back to last Friday, and I don't look for show all because I don't want to see everything they've done. I want to look for their Friday, December 7th quest. Now this is going to search based on what I typed in there. And now I can search for all the students who did this quest, but the unmatched user data, this is for students who did not do it. Okay, so after you do that, now I don't know if you noticed, this lit up as soon as I made changes. It says, hey, you got to apply these filters. So we're going to click on this, and this page is going to change. And now we see that some of these students did not do the quest. All but one of these students was absent. I know that because I was in the room. And so one of the students didn't do this quest. And one of the cool ways to sort is, hey, if I say time on and click on this, this is going to process and then sort according to how long students spent on this quest. And I'll let you know right now that 38 seconds is not enough time to have done this daily quest. Now, it's a short quest, and it is possible to finish it in 2 minutes. So this is the only student who made a false claim. What a great way to keep track of who's doing the work and not. And then, of course, you can click on this and send out a message to that specific student who might lose some health for not doing his or her work. So very cool. You have to play with this in order to understand and start to feel how powerful it is. I can't click on everything because student names will be revealed at that point, but the ability to sort through dates, through quest names, through all quests, on specific days is awesome. So just some of the updates in 4.3, Game On is growing up, and right now it's not as pretty as it can be. We're focused on function over form, and we can't wait to start polishing this apple. All right, have fun with Game On. You know where to find it. We'll put a link in the video comments below. All right, have fun.